In front of me is VIVO V50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is gray, which means that location is on. To turn it off, tap on the same shortcut. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down to click on Location section, and manage location thanks to this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!